everyone, do you recognize me? Welcome to my channel, VIDYA'S. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon to receive updates. After being cooped up for 4 to 5 months in our home, today we are out to dine in one of our favorite restaurants. You all must be agreeing that homely food is the best and healthy option that anyone can avail. But some of you might agree that the kind of experience you get when you dine out in a restaurant, that is something really special and cherishable. As it has been such a long time since we dined out, today I dragged Anu out of his bed to accompany me, and we are here at Marina Mall. The time is around 5 and we are well prepared to dine out. Let me tell you how. This morning we only had a cup of tea with a toast, and this afternoon we merely had nothing, and it's 5 p.m. So you can imagine the hunger scale is right on 0, and I can already hear my stomach grumbling. So without further ado, let's go to one of my favorite restaurants and see what they have to offer us. Let's go. Okay, we are here at Chili's. It looks not that crowded. I think it is crowded. We ordered 2 passion fruit mojitos, 1 bone-in wings as appetizers, 1 mix and match fajita trio, and the complimentary chips and salsa as the starters. So we got crisp and salsa as our starters, and Anu has already started digging into it. These extra thin chips are very crispy and really goes well with fresh salsa. And the bowl goes empty in 3, 2, and 1. So our drink is here. This is passion fruit mojito. He doesn't like using straw because he thinks it adds to the environment, and yes, I think he's right.
But we have to use. The glass is really powerful.
How is it?
It's really tangy.
Now, my turn to taste the passion fruit mojito. It is super tangy but surprisingly flavorful. It's nice. We were served bone-in wings as appetizers, which is hand-tossed in barbecue sauce and served along with celery and dipping sauce. Unlike Anu, eating in front of the camera really makes me feel very conscious. But my hunger and taste buds help me in forgetting about the camera. Anu is really surprised to see me giving him a tough competition. And here comes our main course, mix and match fajita trio, which includes meat and chicken steak along with jumbo shrimps. It also includes chipotle butter, cilantro, bell peppers, onions, served with Mexican rice, black beans, and 4 tortillas. Sour cream, pico, salsa, and shredded cheese were included on the sides. I squeezed few lemon drops to enhance the flavor. Let's start with some veggies. Here comes a well done piece of meat steak dipped in sour cream and salsa. It looks irresistible. Next comes a juicy piece of chicken steak dipped in sour cream and shredded cheese. Now it's time to have some Mexican rice. And then the black beans with pico. It looks yummy. Finally, it's time to have my personal favorite, the jumbo shrimp dipped in guacamole. At last, we ordered a pineapple margarita instead of a dessert. We opted a beverage to be shared between us as we didn't want to stuff ourselves anymore. Within the blink of an eye, the plates were empty.
So Vidya, are we done? Let's leave then.
Did you clean your hands?
I did.
Did you sanitize it?
Yes.
Did you wear your mask?
I'm going to.
Ready? That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off. Yalla! To experience food. Okay, to experience. To have. मैं कितना अच्छा मन में बोलती हूँ यार. Shit. Food is the best and it is more healthy. Okay, so this is the first time I'm seeing him use a straw. Okay. So I do see some changes after lockdown. The person who never used to use a straw, he has started using a straw.
ये तुम अगर बोलोगे ना तुम्हें कूट दूंगा मैं.
I think the lighting दिख नहीं है. उसमें lighting दिख नहीं है.
मतलब
Spicy है इसमें.